Right, so I'm gonna be going through this CodeWars problem today. Polycarpus works as a DJ in the best Berlin nightclub. He often uses dubstep music in his performances. Recently, he has decided to take a couple of old songs and make dubstep remixes from them. Let's assume that a song consists of a number of words that don't contain wub. To make the dubstep remix of this song, Polycarpus inserts a certain number of words, wub, before the first word of the song. Number may be zero after the last word. Number may also be zero in between words, at least one between any pair of neighboring words. And then the boy glues together all the words, including wub, in one string and plays the song at the club. For example, a song with words I am X can transform into a dub remix as um, okay. So it can translate into this, cannot transform into this. I don't entirely understand the difference between them, but recently Johnny has heard Polycarpus's new dubstep track, but since he isn't into modern music, he decided to find out what the initial song was. Um, the input consists of a single non-empty string containing only uppercase English letters. So I'm going to use this as my test case. This is supposed to say, "We are the champions, my friend." Um, so I think the variable they're using is song. Um, Let me think of the best way to do this. I was thinking maybe like doing like a replace to start, or song dot replace wub with nothing, or with a space maybe. Um, so that would work, and then I could do like a dot split on the space. So we are the champions, and then I could do make this into a list comprehension. So forward in this, look at the word. So this is going to give me the same results, but I want to do an if statement. So if word does not equal an empty string. So I want to get rid of these parts right here. So we are the champions, my friends. That works. I was kind of thinking as I was doing this, maybe I could do a split on the wub. So if I do song.split wub, and then I could do my same list comprehension for word in this. Do my conditional if word does not equal that word. So that gives me the same results. I think I like this way a little bit better, just because I'm skipping this dot replace part. Let me test it out on some of these other ones and just make sure it works. ABC. So all these should return ABC is what it looks like. ABC. And just out of curiosity, I think they both should work. Oops. And that works. And then this last one, see if it works. Cool. So I think either of these should work. Let's try and return this. And something I'm realizing is that it returns a string, and mine's returning a list. So this is going to throw an error. But to convert this into a string, what I could do is do a dot join. And I want to join all these elements with a space. So whatever I put in here is what's going to separate the elements. If I want to put like a and, I can do that, but in this case I want a space. So I'm going to copy this over. Try it out now. Passed all those. And yeah, passed all the test cases. So this was my solution. I always like looking at the other solutions. I think that's a good way to learn. So they did it similar to me, but they did a dot split, which is interesting. Kind of want to try that out. Song dot replace one. So they're replacing love with nothing and then doing a dot split. And then doing a join. Okay, that's kind of a unique idea as well. So that was my solution, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.